Alright, open your VM player and now select Kali, although it says Ubuntu 64-bit. Let's update the name by clicking this Edit Virtual Machine Settings. In the second tab, Options, you will find Virtual Machine Name. Type Kali 2016. Okay. Now, by clicking this green arrow here, or from the lower right side, Play Virtual Machine, let's continue from where we left. Okay. Starting from the upper right corner here, this is the place where you can control and configure Kali for basic stuff, such as shutting down the operating system, changing the volume here, network-related configurations, or signing out and such stuff. Let's close our session and reopen it. Let's practice a little bit by clicking this root and then log out. Let's log out. And then log in again by typing root and your password, which is Tor by default, or whatever the password you have set during the installation phase. Okay. Let's click this icon again and then lock the virtual machine, the operating system Kali. When you see the screen, you can simply press space or drag the desktop from bottom to up like this. Type your password again, Tor. Okay. You can shut down your VM from this icon, or you can change or configure the settings by clicking this icon. And of course, you can change your hardware or system-wide settings from here as well. Let's change the resolution for display. Click display and click this, and then update the resolution. I will select, let's take a look. Okay, 1024, 768, and then click apply. Keep changes. Okay. Now this is the updated display. Another important thing here to do is checking the time zone, whether it is aligned with your local time correctly. Open the settings. You will see three sections in this settings: personal, hardware, or system. You will find the settings in one of these three sections. Now click date and time. It says Istanbul, Turkey, which is fine. Automatic date update, which is fine again. Seems pretty okay. Let me ask you a question at this moment. When you are working with many applications, have you ever felt crowded because of so many windows? Well, during penetration tests, you will probably feel that way. So that's why Kali has a solution for that. You can open different applications like Iceweasel, terminal windows, and so on in different workspaces. Let me show you how. Click the square which says 1. This is your workspace 1. You are already in there. Open an application like this one, Iceweasel. Okay. Now click this square again and then click workspace 2. This is your second workspace. Let's open terminal application here. Come back to workspace 1, Iceweasel, workspace 2, terminal windows. Okay, let's close this and then come back to workspace 1. Let's close this one too. Next, recording your sessions. This is very important in professional ethical hacking life. Oftentimes you will be asked about what you have done or how you have accomplished the tasks during a pen test. Kali has a solution for that. click the camcorder icon and configure the settings here. No audio source, it says. Record all desktop, which is fine. 1 second of delay in registration. You can update this setting as well. And of course you can change other options by clicking that. Options, screencast options, frame per seconds, etc, etc. Okay, this is where it saves the files. Okay, let's close this and then come back here and start recording. Okay, it started recording after 1 second delay. Let's open terminal and then, for example, type ls, or let's list the documents like this, and then come back here again and stop recording. Now let's take a look what we have recorded. Open files and then come to videos. There are 2 recordings in this folder. Let's open the newest one, which we have just saved. Okay. Now it has started playing. As I clicked terminal, it saved it. As you can see, ls and ls-lart. Okay. Okay, next item, calendar. Click here to open the calendar, which is on the right hand side. And on the left hand side, you will see notifications. If something has happened, for example, which we have saved this recording, system notifies you. Of course, you will find different notifications here as well. And our next item, places. Places is the place where you will find shortcuts for most used folders and locations like home, desktop, documents, downloads, etc. Let's click downloads, for example. Of course, there is nothing here. Let's close the window. Okay, next item, applications. This is probably your most frequent menu you will visit. Applications are listed here based on their purpose and category, starting from the information gathering, which you see here, to system services, like this one. You will find your tools based on your needs. But don't worry if you are not familiar with the tools now. You simply cannot learn them all at once. Let's continue with other shortcuts from the left toolbar. This one. Starting from the iceweasel and terminal window, you will find this bar very useful. You will get used to the locations and these icons as you play with them. Pay special attention to the icon Show Applications here in the bottom, as you can reach all pen testing tools from this shortcut as well, like this. Press Escape key from your keyboard to exit from the menu. And that's it. You are doing great so far, and I bet you already feel confident with the tools and interface of Kali. Play with the tools and shortcuts. Maybe change the wallpaper to customize your Kali a little to feel you own the environment. See you in the next lecture.